Hi, my name's Danielle and I'm one of the co-coordinators here at Coleroy Creek Neighbourhood House. In this short video, we're going to hear from Emma about water testing.
Hi, my name's Emma and I'm here at Coleroy Creek with Science for All and the Coleroy Creek Neighbourhood Community House. Today we're going to be doing some water testing to have a look at the water quality of the creek. Coleroy Creek is home to a lot of different native animals and plants, and it's really important that this water quality is monitored so that the creek continues to provide that important habitat for these species. Today we're going to be looking at several different factors of water quality, including temperature, pH, ammonium concentration, dissolved oxygen, and conductivity. So we're going to start with temperature. And using a thermometer, we're going to have a look at the temperature. Monitoring the temperature of the water gives us useful data to see if there are any significant changes over time. It looks like it's stabilised at around 13.5 degrees Celsius. We're now going to have a look at the pH of the water to find out how acidic or alkaline the water is. Using a pH reagent, we're going to put several drops into the water sample, which will turn the water a certain colour and tell us what the pH is. And then using this colour chart, you can see that the water is slightly alkaline because of the blue colour that it's turned. We're now going to measure the conductivity of the water using this conductivity instrument. We're going to take a small sample of the water. Conductivity is measured in microsiemens per centimetre. Typical drinking water generally reads between 200 and 800 microsiemens per centimetre, whereas seawater has a reading of around 50,000. This creek is showing a reading of 1,250 microsiemens per centimetre, making it slightly more conductive than drinking water. Now we're going to test the dissolved oxygen content of the water. Dissolved oxygen is a really important factor in river ecosystem health, as all living organisms require oxygen to respire and photosynthesize. I'm going to be using 2 of these dissolved oxygen testing tablets to find out what the dissolved oxygen content of the water is. So we can see after 5 minutes, the dissolved oxygen tablets has turned the sample, this peachy colour, giving us an indication that the water has between 4 and 8 parts per million of dissolved oxygen, which is a pretty good reading for this river. Lastly, we're going to test for ammonia. Ammonia is a really important component of water. However, too much ammonia can be toxic. A reading of over 0.1 millimetres per litre is an indication that the river is polluted with ammonia. So I've got my sample. I'm going to add 10 drops of sodium hydroxide. Give it a quick stir. Then we're going to use one of these testing strips. Pop it in the water. As you can see, the colour of the test strip is really light, indicating that the ammonium levels in the water are not too high.